Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how we can visualize our data or plot our data in the form of graphs, charts, as well as we will also generate the heat maps for our data. First of all, we will study or let me show you our data, geochemical sample data. I have generated this data for the tutorial purpose. I will also provide the link of this data in the description of this video. Now let me go to the attribute of this data, attribute table. Within the attribute you can see that these point data have a serial number, latitude, longitude, gold in ppm, copper in ppm, alumina in percent, iron in a percent, and also sulfur in the percent. So we will, for this, for all these points, if I want to label it, we can only label through only one field or one concentration at a time, like I'm doing it for the gold. Now do it like this. So you can only plot at the same time only the gold, or copper, or any other concentration data, but you cannot do it like to show all the parameters and label all these parameters at once. So we cannot do it. There is another technique that we can use for to visualize that all the data for this one point. So now let me remove the labels. Okay, now right click on this shape file, geochemical data, and go to the symbology. Within the symbology, in the primary symbology, select the charts. Okay, so here our data is shown in the form of bar charts, but here you can see, here we can add the field, symbol, and label. So now let me select the gold for, okay, and here I will select the alumina, iron, and sulfur, like this. I didn't added actually the copper because the copper ppm, the copper values are very high, so I can, the visuals are not that much good, so I removed the copper ppm from here. Now let me remove it. So here you can see that the gold ppm, alumina, iron, and sulfur, like this. Okay, you can also change the color distribution for it like this, or you can also change the color from here. Now let me make it yellow, like this. You can change it. Now I will also show you how you can visualize this data in the form of pie chart. Here the chart type, within the chart type I will select the pie chart, and now go to the symbology again and change the color. Again I will select this color. So here you can see that your data in the form of charts, and in the in this on this location, the concentration of iron is greater than the rest of the concentrations, and at the on second, alumina percentage is greater. Okay, so here you can see, and you can find the patterns, and you can see the concentration of your data and the distribution of your data, like this. Okay, also you can also the stack chart type, like this. You can also see the your data like this. Okay, now we can also, I will also show you how you can see your data in the form of heat map. Select the heat map for your data. Okay, now select here the method is constant. I will select the dynamic, and here the in the weight field select the gold concentration, for example, like this. You can see here the gold concentration in these areas is or greater than the rest of this area in the area. Now select the alumina like this. Now I'll select the let me select the copper. So the now iron. So here you can find the patterns within the data.